Tina. I think I'm having explosive diarrhea.
So hopefully we ditch them for a bit. And now we need to figure out how to make a new raft. We'll need something sturdy enough to build it, but light enough to float. Fortunately, I don't know anything about building, but hey, Tung Tung. Are you alright? Earth to Tung Tung! Tung Tung, are you listening to me? Tung Tung!
Sorry, I'm just so hungry.
Now that you mention it, me too.
Only did it because I love you.
I'm so hungry.
You're strong now. You can feed on whatever you please. On one condition.
What?
Don't forget to silence your phone.
You know what? I work hard. I've earned it. Let's be bad. Oh, I don't feel so good. Is it guilt? Nope, not guilt. Ah, my stomach.
I need chocolate. Big chocolate.
Hey. Oh.
You're my family. Would you mind?
Oh, looks like it's time to be born. I wonder what my rising sign is gonna be. Capricorn!
If you guys could excuse me.
Special.
Oh, me too. I'm starving. I'm starving more.
Now for the finishing touch, my secret ingredient. I don't want to reveal what it is, so please close your eyes. Has anybody seen the vinegar?
Is vinegar your secret ingredient?
Nice try, Angela.
Oh, you guys. Huh? The CEO is having a birthday party, and we're invited.
Wait, how did we get an invite?
Well, let's just say that someone hacked into the guest list and added our names.
Ahem.
Fine, Ginger hacked the guest list, but I asked him to.
It was so easy. Oh, you guys are gonna get into so much trouble.
Not when we show up to his party with our newest invention, the trampoline. This supercharged trampoline will revolutionize the world of spring and fabric-based propulsion. Huh?
Guess who has 2 thumbs and is performing at the CEO's birthday party?
Is it Ed?
Body! It can't withstand this new dose!
I'm just gonna powder my nose for a second. Be right back.
Before, so hungry. I have to.
Hungry.
I just got really hungry.
Bago, please. You know what dairy does to us. I beg of you, practice restraint. I hate you. I hate you. Who hurt you?
I didn't realize how cruel people could be.
Things seriously wrong. Look at us.
I've never felt this before. I need a toilet. I'm not gonna make it. Eat another bite of this cheesecake. Don't care. I've never felt this before. I need a toilet. I'm not gonna make it.
Like, man.
Oh man, my stomach hurts really bad.
Well, I'm not going to eat it.
Come now, don't be shy. Here comes the airplane.
I'm sorry, friends. I hope you can understand. Think I might have a dairy allergy.
Ah! All that running took a lot out of me. I'm gonna...
What have you done to me? You're maniacs!
I'm so hungry.
I don't know, my stomach. What's wrong?
Oh,
someone's hungry. I'll go find berries that are safe to eat. I'd hate for you to starve right after I saved your life. Because there wouldn't be much of a celebration.
I'm hungry. Have a deal.
Oh.
Hey.
Oh.
Oh.
You don't need to eat that pizza. You don't need to eat that pizza.
How did you know?
I saw your cash kicker. It's all everyone's talking about here on the internet.
Everyone who contributed is expecting me to eat a burger with them. One-on-one. That can't be healthy, right?
Let me see. Well, as a medical professional, I have to agree that eating that many burgers can't be good. For your own safety and the safety of those around you, I advise you to stop.
Oh, that is such a relief.
And milk contains high-quality protein that helps build muscle.
You should meet my twin, a lactose-free milk.
The anti-aging cream?
What? My tummy is getting hungry.
Yeah, let's eat. Angela, you might want to wash your wormy Hank juice.
Uh-oh. I need to go potty.
Wait, no, just no. Hank was right.
Oh, you hear that, guys? My tummy's ready for some din-din.
What the hell is din-din?
You know din-din like dinner?
Dude, are you 2 years old?
Guys, calm down. Chef Pee Pee will be done cooking dinner soon.
Well, what's he cooking? Because my tummy's ready for some din-din. Isn't that right, Tummy? Yeah, Cody, I want some din-din.
Dude, if you say din-din one more time, your ass is done.
I love this show.
Actually, this show sucks.
What? What?
Expensive inflation. Dang it! Just eat the school breakfast. I really don't like the school breakfast, Mom. The pancakes are always so soggy. Have a great day at school, sweetie. I'll try with my starving stomach.
Stitch? Are you okay?
Dessert! That sounds,
Huh? Oh. Huh.
Oh, I'm hungry.
Oh, I am too, Marvin.
What do you guys want for dinner?
I think me and Daddy should get
That's it. Just a little closer.
It hurts. My belly hurts.
It's working. Let go of me. My fangs.
I gotta go to the bathroom.
Oh, you guys stink. I'm gonna go add this 20 to my cruise fund. Oh. Teddy!
Grumble, grumble. Kirby's tummy was growling, so he went searching for food. Too bad there aren't any tomatoes up here, he thought.
I love you, kid.
Uh-oh. Sounds like your tummy wants a snack too, Barney.
Oh, a snack does sound...
What's going on with us? Guys! Wait!
Come on.
Lights!
Yummy!
Oh, Buttercup, you know about the Universal Protection Bureau?
No, I just go off my gut, and my gut says he's telling the truth. Oh, now it's saying something weird is going.
Oh, my tummy is growling. Rumble, rumble. Oh, my tummy is growling. Rumble, rumble. Grumble, rumble, grumble, grumble, grumble. Grumble. I can't stop the sound.
Go get me some grub. Grubby, grubby, grub, grub. That looks tasty.
Ah, my trusty shovel.
Made with 100% real beef. Fancy.
All right, time to clean up your duty. Hey, where'd he go? Oh, guess I'll clean it myself.
Something's actually a little funky. My stomach is begging me for some food. I'll have to sleep to forget about my other needs.
Hey, Mrs. Boggo's mom. Is Boggo here?
You must be famished. You.
It is hard to run uphill.
I don't think I should have eaten so much spaghetti.
I mean, just look at you three. You're perfect. The Make-A-Friend machine worked wonders. I'm so lucky I get to be your father. Oh, I know what that noise means. Somebody must be hungry.
Oh, I'm so hungry. I knew I should have eaten lunch. I think I'm feeling faint. Being as...
I'm locked in the bathroom. Oh, I'll be safe here. My stomach. Oh, I gotta use the shark room.
Snack time! I've been waiting for this feast. So good.
Whoa, she can fly. All right.
Amazing. Oh, still hungry, Simon? You gotta calm down.
Calm down.
Oh, you're hungry? Take this.
Professor's chili sure is rumbly in my tumbly.
They only ever stopped when they needed to feed.
Helga, stop hugging the phone!
Helga, you're such a bad liar.
Bummer. And my gut says he's telling the truth. Oh, now it's saying something weird is going on over there.
What's wrong? Of course.
That's what we was waiting for.
I'm sorry, you're gonna have to keep... I think I'll take those snacks now. Too late, already gave them to Gina.
Who keep making these noises?
Okay, well, it must have stopped. Okay, well, everybody get back to work. Well, I guess that says it. All in favor to kick out Gina?
Yeah.
All right then. Now stay calm as I grab your legs. It wasn't me.
Don't you lie to me! I knew it was you! Who are you talking to like that? Oh, are you getting smoked with me? Oh, I think you are. Oh, I'm not playing these games. Ah! Okay, so now
It's finished. Now y'all can finish y'all test with no distractions. Look, y'all only got 20 minutes left in class. Just get y'all test done. For me, please. For yourselves.
Come on, guys, let's beat these little ruts silly.
My stomach thinks it's a great idea.
Oh, shit. Oh. Nick. Nicky. Nicholas.
Start beating that chip's ass. And that seemed to be the case until my stomach was like... Yeah, apparently that ice cream cone wasn't beating the chip's ass. It was fucking playing patty cake with it instead.
Oh no! What if your stomach starts to growl again? That's okay, because that's the best part about the Happy Meal. You get 6 of these sandwiches in one. Now you know the secret to the sandwich.
Don't tell Plankton.
Desserts. A spread like I'd never seen before. And I was hungry. Starving, really. Desperate for my first meal. They wouldn't mind if I took a little for myself, right? I'm sure they'd share.
Oh, my stomach's reminding me it's empty.
What was that? That's the sound Rocket's tummy makes when he gets hungry. He sounds really hungry. Come on, let's go and get Rocket something to eat. But Rocket sounds really hungry.
So, if we get the ingredients from our friends, we can make Rocket soup.
Uh-oh! Look at Rocket's hungry meter! He's getting even more hungry! We have... that cheese sure looks yummy. Uh-oh! I hear Rocket's tummy grumbling.
Oh no! Rocket's getting even hungrier! Uh-oh! What's that sound? It's Rocket's tummy! Right!
And it's grumbling really loudly. Let's go and check his hungry meter. Oh no! Rocket's getting incredibly hungry.
And Rocket's getting super hungry.
Uh-oh! What was that sound? Rocket's tummy! Right! Let's look at his hungry meter. Oh no! Rocket's about to have a hungry emergency.
If he gets too hungry, he'll run out of energy.
Here you go, Rocket.
Look!
You must be hungry.
Test in here. It says we need to poop. And the closest place that we can make it to is the kitchen sink.
Poop in the sink. Yeah, poop in the sink.
We can't poop in the sink. Dad'll get mad. Well, we only got 10 seconds. 10,
9.
Stomach's like. Now, I don't know what it's like to be a menstruating woman, but I had cramps so bad that it felt like my insides really.
Oh, I'm starving.
Food, right.
Stop it.
Any moment now, I do
Even though I'm surrounded by other smiling critters, I'm always alone.